Good Money Gang. It's your boy SS Money, and today we back with a fucking banger, bruh. Don't forget, hit that like button, hit that share button, hit your boy subscribe. You know what I'm talking about? Also, bruh, shout out to y'all, man. I've been doing this shit for 2.5 weeks, and I had 0 subscribers, bro. I'm at 20 right now, bro. Hey. Appreciate the love, man. Appreciate the love, y'all. Hey, man, you know, this is something I always wanted to do, man. And I just had to find my own lane, bro. And I think I found it, man. So I hope y'all keep liking the videos, man. And we finna get to it, man. Finna show y'all what we got going on, man. So today, we messing with this cluster. When I first bought the car, my odometer wasn't working, man. So I removed the cluster to figure out what was going on. Come to find out, they already had the odometer fix kit installed. So I take everything apart. That's when I find whoever had the car before me, they removed the check engine light, which is right there. And on top of that, I had some bullshit wells going on, man. Like, whoever soldered this, I don't know what the fuck they was thinking or what they had going on, but fucking solder game sucked. So I ended up having to resolder that, rerun the wires, and I mean, I got it back working. So since I had it out already, I went ahead and ordered the check engine light bulb, and I ordered replacement LED bulb. So we're gonna get that going. We're gonna get that hooked up, man. And I guess once we get everything together, we'll turn the camera back on. Here's what we got, man. We got 5 blue lights, which are the back lights for the dash. I got caution light, check engine light. I got tag light right here. And then this right here is the brake light that's in the back of the window right here. So shit, once we get these installed, man, I turn the camera back on, man. I just want to show y'all that right quick. So quick update right quick. In order to remove this cluster, what you have to do is, you got a screw on this side, you got 2 screws at the bottom, you got a screw up under here, and then you got a screw right there in the inside of the glove box. And then it slides back, straight back off of these hinges, catches off these hinges. Look like whoever removed it last time, look like they broke it when they probably installed the radio. So I got a couple broke spots. Then right here, see that little crack right here, they cracked it. So it's kind of some bullshit, but it's all good. So let me give y'all a little preview. Just a little preview of the lights. I think they sexy as fuck. But once we get everything back together, turn that camera back on. I forgot to mention, what you want to do is lower your steering wheel, and then when you pop this out, you want to try to lay it back and slide it out. And then the same way going back in, you want to put it in with the speed thermometer facing up here, get it inside, and then rotate it back. And then you pop your 4 screws in. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we finally got the dash back together. Let's see what we got. Big boy lights. Check engine light back working. Back right, man. Back in the game, y'all. So shit, y'all know what's next. 0 to 60, baby. We gotta get a 0 to 60 video. That's 92,000 miles. I don't know how true that is. Ain't no telling when that motherfucker start working. But man, I like the fucking lights, bro. Let me turn Turn this baby off, man. But hey, we back. Hey, man, I hope y'all like that video, man. Hit that like button. Hit that share button. Hey, drop a comment, bro. I want to know what y'all think about them lights. And I'm thinking about doing a 0 to 60 video, so y'all think I should do a 0 to 60 video? Let me know. And I might set up a little race with my homeboy. He got a Monte Carlo SS. I might see what I can do for y'all, man. Just, hey, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. And Money Team, we up, you know what I'm saying?